written is also important and helpful, but listen to what I say. You should know COD and COE for this. So, are there any doubts for COD and COE?
No.
Have you seen the recordings, both of you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so no doubts?
No.
Okay, très bien. So, key we use for COD. Okay, simply. Okay, read this. So, we also use the pronoun relative to join two sentences. Ok? Il attend son ami. Son ami rentre de Toulouse. Ok? Here, son ami is the COD. Right?
Oh, yes. The direct
Il attend son ami qui rentre de Toulouse. Ok?
sense.
In pronom relatif ko. I said it ulta. Wait. The other thing is that after ki, there is always a verb. And
In
with
the imperative.
ko, we always have a
Sujet.
okay. These are the two things. For ko we have seo de, and for ki we have a noun. Okay.
Okay.
For ki we can ask quoi. Il attend qui. Okay. And ko we ask quoi. Okay, read this sentence. C'est le reportage. Je regarde ce reportage en ce moment. C'est le reportage que je regarde en ce moment.
Both are for direct object, right?
A little, but Sonami is also a person. It's a little different. It feels like direct object, and hence I made the difference as well.
Here,
But that's what I'm
the direct object in the second one could also be the reader, right? Or no?
the
I mean,
direct object in what?
no, I no nothing.
Okay. See, key is used for mostly people. Okay. Remember it that ways. In most cases, it will be for people. Okay. You Once you get it, you get it. Don't get into the rule of it. Okay, this is one very important thing. After ki, it's a verb, and after ko, it's a pronoun. Okay,
Okay.
okay. What I will do is we will look at our textbook and we will do the activities from it. Can you see the cosmopolite?
Oui.
Activity enough.
K.
Sorry,
First would be K.
ko,
Sorry.
ko
Ka.
or ki.
Ka.
Okay, read the whole sentence.
Je suis allé sur un site internet
On
que
site internet
un site internet que je
ko
sorry, que j'ai trop très
Sampa.
sympa. Il propose, il propose des dîners que sont qui sont
We have verb.
qui sont organisés par les lo-
Loco.
locaux. Ce site s'appelle Visat,
Visit.
Visit. Okay.
Visit. Hmm. Okay. Rajul, can you do the next one?
Yeah. Nous avons découvert,
Découvert.
découvert un restaurant que
Qui se trouve
trouve près du centre commercial Nice Étoile et Café.
qui fait
Il fait des spécialités bretonnes,
spécialité
spécialités bretonnes. C'est un restaurant qui tu vas aimer.
aimer. So it's ko tu vas aimer. Here, after ko, we are using the sujet. And after qui, it's the verb. Okay?
Okay.
Should I go with her?
Yeah.
Okay. Il a rencontré des étudiants qui participent à,
Participe.
participent à des cours de cuisine. Il va
Course
sur
de cuisine.
cours de cuisine. Il va
Suivre.
suivre les cours que ils font le mercredi.
Hmm. Que ils font. So it will be qu'ils font le mercredi.
Okay, qu'ils font. Sorry.
Hmm.
Un hôte visite et une personne que
Qui
accueille, accueille, accueille,
accueille
accueille étrangers, étrangers et que permet à
qui
voyageur.
permet
So key is QUI, right?
hmm.
And after key there will be a sujet,
a verb.
a verb, and then with QUE there will be a subject.
QUO will be a subject. Go.
Okay, so how is accueille a subject?
Accueille is a verb.
Yes.
But you changed it to I said QUI with that.
You said ko.
Okay, so pronunciation. QUI
Yeah,
is
possibly.
QUI is K, and QUI
I is key.
is key. Okay.
Hmm.
So K accueille.
Qui
They
accueille. Okay. Wait. Okay. This is what. What is this?
key sujet
Hmm.
and K would be for verb.
Hmm. No. Key. This is key and this is ko. After key, there is a sujet. Verb.
Okay,
Sorry.
Q U
There's a
I
verb after key. Huh. And
key.
after ko, it's a sujet.
Okay. Yep, got it.
Okay. They again.
Un hôte visite et une personne
Est une personne
QUE, which is que accueilli,
qui accueille.
accueilli, qui accueille des étrangers et what is permet?
Permis. Permission वाला permis.
Cooper.
Qui permet aux voyageurs de déguster des spécialités.
Hmm. Okay. Varshil.
C'est un plat que je ne connaissais pas avant.
Word.
Que,
Ko.
sorry, que je ne connaissais pas avant. Pour moi, c'est un plat qui est très original et je souhaite faire chez moi dans
Et.
ma cuisine.
Et
Et.
It should be
et
que,
que
que.
Exactement.
Et que je souhaite faire chez moi dans ma cuisine.
Hmm. Très bien. Is this better? Clear?
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Will it be
Look
like,
at these.
sorry,
Bolo.
for key, there is
Hmm.
a mostly uses for people. Will it like, as I read in some lesson in the Cosmopoly, they also use for
Hmm.
places.
That's another one. That's oo for places mostly.
Okay.
Okay. Oo and don't we will do in A2. For now it's ki and ko.
Okay.
Okay. In Hindi, in English we use ki and ko a lot. Okay. Donc, if I say for a robe, j'ai acheté un robe. Ce robe est bleu.
What?
J'ai acheté un robe. Ce
Mhm.
robe est bleu.
So we will replace Rob with ka.
Good.
Okay. Look here. Il attend son ami. Son ami rentre de Toulouse. Okay. So we are seeing son ami is replaced, as in repeated. Okay. We will replace son ami. Now, here, son ami is the main subject of the sentence because it's in the beginning. Okay. Hence, qui. Now look at this one. C'est le reportage. Je regarde ce reportage en ce moment. Okay, so we have le reportage which is being repeated. Here,
So the direct object is je, the person reading the report.
no, it's ce reportage here.
So if both are
Okay,
direct,
here it is the sujet and here it's the they in the second sentence. Okay, you have to see where it is falling in the second sentence.
but there is no very concrete logic to this.
So basically, what I understood is in the key we are replacing the sujet as a person, and for
Hmm.
ka we are using the formula of COD, which is direct object. And where the direct object gonna fall off in the second sentence, we're gonna remove that and place the key and join the sentence to both of them, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. I thought it would be simpler the other way around, which I shared earlier. Because historically it has been difficult for students when I show them this.
History gonna change
What?
this.
Okay, let's do this.
Nice exercise.
Okay.
First would be key.
Read the whole sentence.
U a, right? U a tu mi le livre qui était ici.
Hmm.
Le livre que, second would be que tu
Correct.
m'as ton et ton m'a
Donne
donné et dans ma valise.
ma valise. Okay.
Ma valise.
Hmm.
Mon ici est,
Voisine.
sorry, mon voisin est un, un homme que est, sorry, qui est très sorry, très aimable.
Aimable.
Aimable. You
Hmm.
sure?
Okay. Here, this is voisin. Sorry. And this is voisine. Okay. For three, it's voisin, and four is voisine. Okay.
Voisin means
Voisin, voisine, feminine and masculine. Okay.
like I know the meaning of, like I'm just asking meaning of it. Like, is it something family member?
Padosi, neighbor.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Cat,
La voisin,
la voisine.
la voisine que tu vois dans le jardin est anglaise.
Hmm. Très bien.
Fifth, je, je regarde cette robe que je trouve très belle, mais trop habile. Trop habile.
Que je trouve très belle, mais trop habillée.
Habile. Okay. Habile.
Hmm. Okay.
Si es un manteau,
C'est un manteau
c'est un manteau qui est magnifique, mais trop chaud pour la saison.
mais trop chaud pour la saison.
Mais trop chaud pour la saison.
Hmm. Okay. Sept.
Cette Mahi est une fille que me plaît beaucoup, mais elle part bien à l'étranger.
Hmm. Marie est une fille qui me plaît beaucoup. It's the verb se plaire.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Try to, as I said, try to make sense. Okay, it's very logical, key and go. You don't go just for the rules that we learned.
Okay.
Okay, Marie est une fille qui me plaît beaucoup. Okay, oui.
Je suis allé voir le film qui est à l'affiche. Il est excellent.
Neuf. Je révisais. Sorry.
Je
Je révise
révise
mes courses sorry. Daimo. Right?
allemand,
Sorry. Allemand. Car c'est une langue.
langue,
Langue que j'ai toujours aimé.
hmm,
Toujours aimé.
toujours aimé.
Je ne révise que le chapitre,
Que les chapitres
que les chapitres qui euh, m'intéressent,
qui
No.
m'intéressent.
No. No.
qui m'intéressent.
Hmm, okay. So, is this okay? You understood the usage now? Doubts?
We will have the assignment on this side.
Hmm,
Okay. That is fine.
okay. You can ask me any doubts if you have.
Oh, right now the things are pretty clear.
Okay. Okay. So we will do lesson 4. Okay. Okay. Have you read the document?
Mm-hmm. No, I didn't got the chance.
Me neither.
Okay. Read the focus long.
Page number
152.
150. 152.
152.
Oh,
Hmm.
ma'am, for the third question, sorry, for the third one in the focus long
Hmm.
sentence avec visite organisée des belles surprises.
Hmm.
In the say direct object would be surprises, right?
Les gens. Okay. Avec visite organisée des belles surprises. That is one sentence. Surprise pour les gens. Okay, that is one. Vous aimez les gens.
For
Is the second one. Okay. Avec visite
okay, makes sense.
organisée des.
So basically, what I think is that is for inanimate objects like things,
Continue.
like book or something. Like for people, it's always key, right?
Not necessarily because look here. Les gens. We are replacing les gens and using que
Yeah.
in the activity that we did. In the fourth sentence. This was the fourth sentence. La voisine que tu as dans le jardin est anglaise.
It can be people, but they have to be on the receiving end of the action. They're not the ones actively doing it. I don't know. I just made a pattern in my
No,
mind.
that is not it.
Okay.
Hmm.
That should be then reflexive verbs.
Okay. The simplest one is after SEO they after key it's a
Suzy.
after SEO
After say oh,
I am I'm so sorry. I am not able to
af-
concentrate. After key it's a
after key it should be Suzy.
after
Means
key it's a
verb.
verb.
Sorry, it should be verb
Yeah.
and replacing
Hmm.
Suzy. Sorry. And for ka, replacing seoda. Seode.
And after that it's a sujet.
Yes.
Hmm. We can discuss this again tomorrow if you have doubts, okay?
Okay.
Okay. For now, we will do the listening activity because you have not read, and then let's do the speaking activity maybe. Ok? On va faire activité 6 et 7. Okay? This document is about visit, and we read a few sentences about it in the activity that we did. So you get what the concept is, right? No?
Yep.
Okay. Bien. We are doing activité 6 and 7 for now. Okay? Ok. Je commence.
I can't hear the audio.
Neither me. You are mute, man.
Um, the audio is like, okay. I'll just reload this once, hoping that it works. Okay, now can you hear it?
It's not even playing.
I paused it.
Mhm. Can you play it again? Like,
Mm.
You couldn't hear it?
mm-hmm.
The 3 seconds, no. Maybe they didn't say anything in the 3 seconds.
They did. Is it visible, my screen?
Yes.
Sava?
Got some, but not all of them.
Mm-hmm.
She is
On this two.
visiting. Camille Romani is visiting somewhere.
The theme would be La Visite.
Okay, the visit. Okay.
The first one should be Camille Romani Defini Visit Culture Exchange or something.
Mm-hmm.
It was
Okay,
related
they
to
use
culture.
no, no. She
Like,
describes it in a very different way.
for third, I got something ressemble the rest légion.
Quel est l'objectif?
Yes,
Okay, repeat.
ressemble the rest légion something.
Rassembler les gens.
Yeah, rassemble liaison. Yes.
Means assemble. Rassembler les
Ensemble
gens autour
means
d'un table.
just assemble the people, right?
Yeah, rassembler les gens autour d'un table pour échanger.
So a table full of strangers.
There's nothing mentioned about strangers. Rassembler les gens autour d'un table pour échanger.
Exchange, I mean exchange.
Hmm.
And for last, it was avec plus neuf villes or either
Enough?
neuf willow or something.
9,000.
Exactement. 9 000.
Okay, I heard will.
Plus de 9 000 hôtes en Europe.
Objective of visit is to like culturally something related to China culture.
That's what we were discussing right now. Rassembler les gens autour d'un table pour échanger.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hmm. Okay, let's listen to it once again. Find out the answer to A and B.
Okay.
Okay? Okay.
Oh, I got the second one.
Okay.
Um, so I will. I'm only. It's like setting a price or something for people.
Setting a what?
Setting price like a fixed price for the
Mm-hmm.
guests, something like that. Like ripa,
Okay.
which is a meat.
But it is como è né l'idée. So what is the origin idea they're asking? What is the idea behind visit? Visit.
De la culture chinoise.
Okay. De la culture chinoise. Okay.
No, so to tourists and local people, rencontre.
Hmm. But how was this idea born is the question.
When she
That is
visited
the
China,
concept of tourists and local people.
bring people together around the table.
That is the objective, yes. How was this idea born is the question. And okay, for A, do you have an answer? Como definitel?
Something about Xinhua when she lived in China.
Yeah. So that's the answer to B.
Yeah,
When she lived in China, what happened?
she met colleagues, and they from there she got the idea that because she wanted to mix in,
Yeah, how did she meet colleagues?
must be working in China.
Hmm.
She invited colleagues at her home or something. No,
It's the other way around.
colleagues invited her,
Hmm.
and then she understood.
Ok. So, elle était en Chine et elle était invitée par des collègues chinois. Elle a partagé les repas avec eux et ça a changé son expérience de la culture chinoise. Ok?
Yes,
Ok. Ah,
It
how
is
is she
something.
describing?
La table se fait de sous table foreign cront something. I don't know.
how is
No,
she describing what? I don't. I did not hear visit even once in the audio.
it was there a lot of times.
It was from the starting.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, let me tell you, I'll play the audio once more. The definition is in the beginning.
I've got réseau social.
Exactement. Okay, good. Réseau social. Okay, in the initial parts, the guy he said, c'est un réseau de social dining.
Is it like I got some the social dining, not the one that Raju say?
Okay. Yeah, these two are good. Uh, She also explained why she calls it the réseau social of dining. Parce que la table, c'est le premier réseau social. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know this word, réseau social?
Social meeting.
Social,
Social circle.
réseau social is social media.
Oh,
So when we say les sites de réseau social, these are the Facebook, Instagram, and all. Okay. Ça va?
so she's comparing the dining to social media.
Correct. She's saying that Visit is the media of social dining.
Oh,
Okay, so she's saying that it is like a social media. I call it a social media.
but it's not a social media.
I mean, technically it's not, but she calls it that and she's trying to make it like that.
She's just drawing comparison for clarity.
Also, it is a little like that. She's trying to make Visit like that. Because it's strangers who meet each other on the table.
Yeah.
Okay? Les étrangers et les locaux.
Mhm.
Okay? Claire?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do this. Activity 4. You can take a few minutes to think. I can send you in breakouts if you want. Yeah, should I send you in breakouts?
Which site about?
Activity 4.
It is based on the document one
Yeah, but you have the idea from what we heard as well.
because it's asking for like vous, que pensez-vous du concept de ceci? So like which site they are talking about? The one which is given
The
in doc.
site is Visit only.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, so it's about the concept of Visit. Okay. Okay, I am putting you in breakout room. Both of you will be together. You can discuss putting a timer for 3 minutes and try to speak for 1 minute each, okay?
What is the meaning of oath?
What is host? Ready?
It's not for 1 minute, but maybe yeah.
Okay, try. Hmm.
So I got uh, yes, concept très interesting, like this
Le
concept.
concept est très intéressant.
uh pour découvrir nouvelle culture et nouvelle personne.
Nouveau person because nouveau is plural and person is plural. Nouvelle personne for singular is fine.
Okay. J'organise. Uh, j'organise ses.
Je organi J'organiserai. Use future tense.
j'organiserai uh, a concert comme cet dans mon pays. Like I'm trying to say,
J'organiserai un repas dans mon pays,
yeah, dans mon pays, le Canada.
le
Canada.
Canada. Okay. Okay, try to respond to all the questions. Es-tu intéressé? And if yes, pourquoi? If no, pourquoi?
Oui,
And you have to say.
I would say,
Hmm.
oui, je serai très intéressé dans
Je
cette con.
serai très intéressé.
Je serai très
Translation. Hmm. Comme
dans
voyageur ou comme hôte?
comme voyageur, comme hôte.
Lequel? Comme voyageur ou comme hôte?
This means who would be the voyagers and who would be the host?
Yeah.
Voyager, um,
Like,
let's
would you
see,
be the voyageur ou hôte?
J voyager.
Ok, je serai le voyageur. Ok, ok,
Just
ça
la
va.
voyage. Yes.
When you have to speak something, use all the things that are given to you. That would give your answer a structure and give you the content to talk, which will help you to speak longer.
Okay.
Okay, okay, Varshil.
Mhm. Okay, so the first, uh, j'adore, j'adore le concept des sociétés,
The société,
de société et je serai
je
intéressant,
serai
je serai
intéressé,
intéressé par cette expérience parce que j'ai, j'aime,
hmm.
j'aime stresser de social dining.
J'aime le réseau de social dining.
Ok, j'aime réseau de social dining. Je, je serai voyager,
Voyageur,
voyageur dans le futur. Dans le futur, je, je voyagerai dans le Canada et les États-Unis
hmm.
parce que deux, deux pays sont intéressants et une expérience authentique. Alors,
Ok,
j'ai préparé mon voyage pour deux jours, deux journées,
2 jours,
deux jours dans les voyages. Jamais aller, sorry, jamais à aller euh, Nouvelle Ville est à manger à restaurant et visit, visiterai un musée.
Okay. Last part was a little problematic and it also didn't go with the task.
O-
Okay. You didn't have to tell what your plans were when you were traveling.
Okay,
Okay. And the sentence structure was not proper there. Initial parts were good. You have to take care of the pronunciations of je and le, not j and le. Okay, when you say je as j, it is our verb.
yeah,
Yeah, so it is a big problem for me.
okay,
And when you say lo as lay, it is the plural form.
yes, makes sense.
Okay, it makes the listener a little confused.
Okay,
Okay, you
What
answer
can we
to all these.
what can we expect from the speaking activity in A1 test?
It's going to be like a conversation.
Like a random conversation about day or
Hmm.
something.
Yeah, you will be given a task.
And will we be given any time to prepare before we jump into the conversation?
Usually, yes, but
Okay.
it's not much.
Okay, like 1 2 minutes.
Hmm. Okay, so Varshil, you said you answered to all these things, but you could explain why, okay, why you want to be a voyager and not Earth, maybe. Okay, and the extra parts you could remove.
okay.
Okay, okay. Sava, good activity, both of you spoke fairly well. Any doubts for today?
No.
No? Okay. So we are done with all the 8 dossier. You have to tomorrow we'll do some speaking activities. So présente you will have to do. Okay, in short, we'll do like delve here in the speaking. Okay. Go through all the things in the end of your book. Okay. I want you to look at these things. Where is it? Hmm. Précis and grammaire. Okay, précis the grammar. Go through the pages in the end, starting from page 202. Okay. If any doubts, you have to let me know and we can solve it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, doubts?
No.
Okay. So we end the session?
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, it's then.
okay.
Okay. Then we have clues in addition to.
Oh, you. Mm,
Okay, these are just some structures that I'm giving to you, but at current level, you are not expected to use them. Okay,
What is
then
the
we
meaning
have
for and flow?
plus is like in addition to.
Okay.
Yeah, in addition, when we have one point and then we're adding the second point, you can use that. Okay. You're not expected to use these for now. You can use them maybe end of A2. You will come across these words. Moreover, we have learned some connectors, right? Uwe, donc, or nikar, if you remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will share the doc again. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, use these as well. Okay, you can use or Nyamwa. We will we will have such list later. Okay. Then in your cosmopolite in the mm, not this wait. Okay, in your classroom
Mm-hmm.
we have put already. I have put a lot of stuff, and other than that, hmm, hmm. You have lexic, grammar, and glossary. Okay, if you look at lexic, these are some words, group of words that you should know. Okay, let's come to the end because it's more recent for you. Okay, so these are the words that you should know or you could know, and these are the similar words but in a different format. Okay, but what this one has is the English word, so it will help you better understand. Okay, and then there's grammar. I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the similar one that we have at the end of the book. Okay, moreover, I want to share this. Yes. When we are, I don't know if you have seen this, I have been telling you to do that. At the end of every dossier,
That's
yeah, these are the things which are helpful, which help you use the vocabulary. Okay. Okay.
tomorrow's test will be something like DELF
Yeah, you can expect that. Yes. So,
because we will need a kind of a paper kind of practice paper to practice it.
no, see, it is reading, writing, speaking, listening. Now there's no practice for like pattern. There's no pattern for reading, listening, and writing. Right? You know already what we have practiced in class, and that is your practice. For oral, I have been telling you what all are the things that you might have to do. Okay. But just in case, I already also said that we will practice one production oral from the textbook, which we will. Okay. We will practice the production oral of dossier with, okay, this one. later today. Uh, okay, so you don't have to worry about the pattern. Currently, you are not preparing for A1 evaluation. You are preparing for TEF and TCF. Remember this. Okay. So you have to practice for the paper pattern of TEF and TCF. Do you know the paper pattern of TEF and TCF?
I knew when I started the course. Like I
Okay.
was searching for myself. There are 40 questions for listening, same as read. Like ALS, two topics for writing, letter and argument maybe.
So for TEF exam in your writing, one is Fediware, so meaning you have to write a news article, small news article. It's about an incident that happened. Okay, good or bad incident that happened, and very small article. The second is yes, it's an argumentative essay. Okay, and for TCF, there are three parts in the writing. One is a small letter or article, email. Second is a letter or message which is longer than the first one, and the third is so you have to write a sentence, meaning there are two articles that are given. You have to read them, give a short synopsis, and in the next second paragraph, you have to give your opinion.
Not three questions. And what gonna be the time?
1 hour.
That is better.
That's what you think. I
I don't
personally
know.
think that TCF is better.
I'm gonna worry about till the end of B1. I don't want to do anything right now.
I recommend you look at both of the exams closely
But
and
people,
start making up your mind.
but
Okay,
like
you can
mostly
start
people are saying
practicing now.
TAF is easier than TCF. I don't
Who
know
are these most people? Just find out.
who are they supposed to be. I don't know.
Okay, talk to the people who have given both. I see.
There is
No, wait. Let me tell
mushkil
you, our students,
hai. In our
uh,
community, yes.
our students. So I was talking to one student who gave the TEF exam recently. She said one of her comrade, as in her classmate, had a similar level of French as her, got better scores than her in TCF. Okay, so similar French levels, but better score in TCF.
Is it lenient?
We don't know. That's the problem. There's a
If it
lot
is,
of information about the English exams. Okay, IELTS, PT, self-pay, we have everything for them. But for French, we have much less content. Okay, so it's just I feel like it's a lot of misinformation in the market. But the TCF pattern, I feel, is easier and more student-centric. And the checking is better. Okay, in TEF, if in all the parts, okay, if you have 7, 7, 7, and 4, your final score would be 4. Do you
seven,
understand?
seven, 4, 4.
7, 7, 7, and 4. So your final score would be 4.
This is not good.
Yeah, that's TEF for you. And the
Uh,
pattern of TEF keeps changing every
yes, I
year or every
recently saw
2 years.
the information. I don't know where I saw it, but there
Hmm.
was like two changes in a speaking or something.
Yeah.
Okay. What
So make your
is the difference?
choices.
What is the difference on TF and TCF listening, though?
See, listening in TEF, the questions are mentioned on your screen, but in TCF, the question won't be mentioned. It is a part of the audio only.
Why? Why?
It is what it is. I mean, can't say anything,
It's better.
of course. And for speaking as well, TCF has three parts. One is se présenter. Second is asking questions for anything. Like here we ask questions similar but a bit higher level. And the third is you have to speak for 4.5 minutes on a topic without any questions asked. So you will speak and it will be over.
4 minutes.
4.5.
Mhm.
See, that's what B2 level is for, to be able to speak such long.
I never thought I'm gonna do it.
You know, Varshil, when I gave you a speaking task yesterday,
Yes.
you took 3 minutes.
Eh?
Mm,
Just for
of course,
toote foote
of course, see,
sentences.
exactly. You took 3 minutes. It was not the best, but for your level, it was okay. Okay, but 3, 4 minutes. It. I'm not saying it's very easy, but it is very doable.
Okay, so overall, you are saying TCF is more easier than TEF.
I'm not saying it's easier. I'm saying it's better.
It's better. Okay, got it.
And that could be my opinion. Okay, I strongly believe that, but you should do your research before making a decision. This is what I'm telling you.
If Virat Kohli is saying, then this play this cover drive in this way. So we should.
Your wish.
Okay.
And huh, for TEF, the speaking has two parts. Okay, one you have to ask questions, so like in TCF, and the second is that you have to convince your friend to do something with you.
No convincing. Bad in convincing. Okay,
Okay.
we'll do the research and we'll start preparing as per that.
Okay. So I think what we should do now, both of you
Mhm.
should read out loud these things, okay? One part each. Because both of you have some problem in pronunciations. You have to read out loud.
Okay. Should I start?
Mm.
I'm reading left part, right? Voice C.
Okay, read this also.
Voice one. Okay. Organiser ou aller, déguster de bons repas chez l'habitant et rencontrer des gens
One you,
venus du monde entier.
entière.
entier. Voici, vo-
Voici,
voi- voici le concept de la startup française cook, cooking, cooking, créer,
Créer,
créer en 2014 par trois amis passionnés de gastronomie et de voyage. L'idée est simple. Vous,
simple,
vous pouvez vous inviter à manger chez des inconnus.
et des inconnus.
Ok, c'est des
Hmm.
inconnus.
Ok, très bien, Varshali. Sanket,
Sur le site internet, les hôtes présentent une, euh,
présente,
présentent une variété de plats,
variété
va- variété de plats
de
avec
plat. It's the,
de,
not de.
de,
Okay, the plat.
de plats avec des photos. On peut euh, réserver sa table pour le déjeuner ou le dîner.
This is
Euh,
lo, not
la,
le.
la, la dîner. Attention, un rapaz,
Attention,
attention, attention. Yun, sorry, un rapaz déduit pas coûter plus de 30 euros. Bon appétit.
appétit. The last T is not pronounced. Un repas ne doit pas.
Un repas
Ne
ne
doit
doit
pas.
pas.
Coûter plus de 30 euros. It's not euro, okay? Euro.
Arroz,
Euro.
arroz,
30 euros.
30 arroz,
Euro.
arroz.
Exactly. Okay, both of you read very good. You can solve this.
No, I'm not able to see your screen.
Why not?
Okay, I got it.
The first one would be should move français.
Okay.
The second, l'éducation des personnes,
Les
l'éducation, l'éducation des personnes qui ont créé,
créés.
créé cooking sont des gastronomies et des voyages.
Okay.
The third would be ils mettent des photos.
Ils.
Ils mettent des photos.
Hmm.
Sorry. Yes. for fourth. On, on peut réserver sa table pour le déjeuner ou le dîner
Hmm.
sur le site
Okay.
internet de cooking.
Okay.
Should I say the sixth, fifth?
Yeah.
Or Sanket wanna try?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Uh, avec cockney, le prix maximum,
Le
d'une,
prix maximum
le prix maximum d'un repas, d'un repas, uh,
d'un
c'est
repas,
de repas, c'est l'habitant, uh, uh, 30 euros,
30 euros. हाँ,
30 euros, 30.
c'est bien. Okay. Bien. I will give you. Okay. So you will do exercise on the like all of this will be with me. Okay, we will do one-on-one. But what I want you to do is prepare maybe 7 minutes. Okay, but you won't take each other's help for this one. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, don't take each other's help. We will take time here. I'm not sending you to breakout room. Okay,
Okay.
giving you around 7-8 minutes. Prepare for these. Okay, and we'll do this. Okay, done. Qui commence? Hmm? Sanket ou Varshil, qui commence?
A bit of afraid.
It's just me today. Tomorrow there will be someone else, and day after it would be someone else.
Day after, nobody would be there. 1 week vacation.
Okay, start. Sanket or Varshil, pick one. Or I pick.
You pick.
Okay. Varshil. Okay.
Noisy coffee.
Vous vous présentez, s'il vous plaît.
Okay. Bonjour, madame. Je suis Varshil. Je parlais français et anglais. J'ai habité au Canada. Ma, ma famille habitait en Inde. Je suis, sorry, je suis pris un diplôme dans les régions d'environnement. Je travaille à Parson et je suis technicien d'environnement.
Très bien. Vous habitez au Canada depuis quelle année?
depuis 2022. Sorry, 22. The
Ok. 2022. Et quelle est votre date de naissance?
quel est votre
Date de naissance.
je n'ai en Inde.
Je suis né en Inde. Ok.
Ok. Je suis né en Inde.
Et la date, le jour.
Oh. Are we saying like date first, month for after, and like is it any pattern in French to say?
Oui, on a appris. We have learned it.
Je suis né en Inde. Sorry, à le 4 octobre 2004.
Très bien. Ok. On passe à partie 2. Donc, il y a quelques mots et vous devez formuler les questions. Allez-y.
Okay, exercise 2. Right?
Oui.
Okay, sorry. Mhm. À cet restaurant, quel plat est votre préféré?
Ok.
Doit. Sorry, de. À la maison, est-ce que vous avez fait du cuisine pour votre même?
Mhm.
Toi, I didn't make that sentence. Sorry.
Mhm. Ok.
Qu'est-ce que avez-vous dit? Avez-vous dit votre famille? Sorry. Votre famille des soirées? I made the fifth one. And the fourth one is vous avez réservé la table dans le restaurant?
Ok, très bien. On passe à la troisième activité. Vous interactez avec moi. Ok?
Oui.
Donc, je suis le serveur dans le restaurant et vous me posez les questions.
Means I'm gonna ask the question. Bonjour madame, comment ça va?
Bonjour, je vais très bien, monsieur. Comment je peux vous aider?
Je suis très bien.
Ok.
Aujourd'hui, vous aujourd'hui vous êtes allé à restaurant. Comment est?
Je suis la serveuse, monsieur.
Okay. I'm not asking. Okay. Dans le restaurant, quel type de cuisine?
Nous avons la cuisine indienne.
J'aime j'aime le restaurant atmosphère.
Ok. Vous voulez réserver une table?
Oui, j'ai réservé Une table ce matin
Mhm.
par téléphone.
D'accord. Ok. Pour combien de personnes?
J'ai réservé pour 2 personnes.
Mhm. Ok.
Dans les cuisines, euh, quel est prix pour la plate des ondes?
Tous les plats sont indiens, monsieur. Donc, le prix, ça commence de 10 euros.
Ou c'est cher?
Ok. On a la réduction pour les jeunes. Donc, si vous avez la carte jeune, on pourra réduire 5%.
Non, j'ai réservé pour 2 personnes, non 5.
D'accord. OK. Donc, vous pouvez venir demain matin à 10 heures. OK?
Ok,
À demain.
au revoir.
OK. Sanket, we start with you.
Okay. For the first clear,
Hmm.
yeah.
Vous vous présentez.
Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Sanket. J'ai one of je habite à Milton. My family habite in the j'ai today technician architecture. Et je travaille comme coordinateur. J'adore les activités comme les kayaking, les kayaks, les canots.
OK. Très bien. Vous pouvez former des questions.
Can you repeat?
Exercice 2. On fait l'exercice 2, formuler des questions.
Sorry, I didn't.
On fait l'activité de vous formuler les questions.
Okay. The first one, so quel est ton plat préféré?
OK.
For the question, quel quel type de cuisine préféré?
Hmm.
For the quiz, US participate yon yon fait début.
Mhm. Déguisé, OK.
Déguisé. The fourth one. For the fourth one, est-ce que tu reserve? Sorry, what was the pronounce for reserve?
Réservé.
Reserve une table.
OK, très bien.
On,
On passe à la troisième activité. Donc, je suis la serveuse dans un restaurant et vous devez me poser des questions.
okay. Bonjour.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Nous environs organize repas de Pune the anniversary any uh,
Ane,
and um, Pouez Pouez was uh, sur la information the restaurant uh,
Bien sûr, monsieur, quelle information voulez-vous?
uh, so type de quel type de cuisine and la atmosphere the restaurant the
Ok. On a la cuisine indienne et l'atmosphère de restaurant est très sympa et très chic.
super uh, uh, nous nous serons sept person uh,
Hmm.
uh, pues nos this reserve on table
Oui,
on
monsieur, bien sûr. Pour cette personne, quelle heure?
uh, uh, on uh, 5 December 22 hours
5 décembre, 22 heures,
December
ça va.
okay sorry
7 personnes. OK. Est-ce que vous pouvez payer un peu en avance 10 euros?
sorry can you repeat
Vous devez payer en avance 10 euros.
sorry I didn't get it
Vous devez payer 10 euros en avance. Hmm? Vous devez payer.
pay
Vous devez payer en avance.
sorry
OK, ça va. Donc, j'ai réservé votre table et je vais vous voir le 5 décembre, OK? OK. À bientôt, monsieur. Merci.
our
Au revoir. Okay. Okay, starting with Varshil, some problems with your pronunciations in the first part. Okay, presente, so presente.
Okay.
Okay, the content is fine, but you can't say je suis Varshil, just say je m'appelle Varshil.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't understand the sentence of je suis pris dans le domaine de.
So I took the diploma in. I wanted to say that.
Okay, donc je suis diplômé. You say je suis diplômé.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Both of you can't say in English. I mean, try not to. Okay? Even if you have doubts, you try to ask in French. Okay? Your second part was okay, Varshil. But again, थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे because quel plat est votre préféré से better है quel est votre plat préféré. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, and there's no votre même. And you said à votre famille in some places, which is wrong. For the third part, you made a major error because you were saying j'ai réservé. Okay? What you have to do is reserve now a table.
Okay.
and you said famille, but it's avec les étudiants de votre groupe. Okay, it's not famille. So you have to read the whole thing and prepare accordingly, speak accordingly. In Sanket's tone, he understood the question well, and you were asking questions like related questions. Even virtually, your questions were related, but it was somewhere here and there, and you didn't ask a lot of questions.
Because I didn't
Okay,
read,
and you
I
didn't.
didn't reach that question. I was just making for first and second. That's why I
That's
was a
what.
bit
See,
confused for.
for first, you didn't have to prepare. Why? Because you already know this. Did you have to prepare for this? We have done this.
Look,
Okay, so it was these two were your priorities. So in your exams, you have to time yourselves accordingly. Okay, as such, the time was enough for these two parts, but this you should have already prepared. Okay, so Sanket, you had time to prepare for this one, is it?
Yes.
Okay, good. You all things were mostly good, but pronunciations. Okay, ninde, je travaille. So these do not work. You have to focus on your pronunciations. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Both of you did good. I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm just pointing out the areas of improvement. Okay?
Okay.
And as I mentioned, you have to know interaction between a client and a seller in any scenario. Okay? At A1 level, you should be able to purchase anything fully. Okay, either if it's vegetables or books or clothes or, making a table reservation like that. Okay, Shava?
Sure.